Hello, hello. Kara Chase here, founder of Pin Power Method. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're a little curious about what Pin Power Method actually offers you as an online entrepreneur and what becoming a member can help you do when it comes to learning how to market your business on Pinterest. So I'm recording this behind the scenes video to give you a sneak peek of what our membership actually looks like. You start with this screen once you join as a monthly or an annual member. You'll be prompted to go to the dashboard, which is what View Posts is, or you can navigate there via this link. And you can also take care of your account settings and your avatar and your billing and anything else you want to take care of over here. So the first thing we do is go to view the posts inside the membership. I have chosen for Pin Power Method to actually host our community in a private Facebook group, which is why you only see 2 posts inside the membership. The first is a start here video to tell you all about what you're going to learn. And the next is a tour of Pin Power Method and where to find everything. You will want to go ahead and join the Facebook group when you purchase your membership, and I will show you that as well in this video so you can see the kind of things we do over there in our community. Once you're ready to dive in, you're going to want to go over to products. I highly recommend that you bookmark this URL so that you can come to it really easily. This is mostly what you will be diving in to do as you learn more and more about Pinterest marketing. The series of emails that you get, as well as the tour and the start here, will tell you exactly where to dive in. I recommend you dive in at the Pin Power Roadmap full course. If you've gotten my freebie at any point, you'll know that it's a great PDF that tells you step by step how to create your Pinterest profile, build a strategy, and go all the way to promoted pins. And the full course actually comes with screen share tutorials. So when you go into a course, what you're going to see is a setup very similar to most online course platforms like Kartra or Teachable. We host our membership on Podia. So you're going to see when you start any course and you start at the beginning, it's going to tell you what's next and where to start. And you can click through, watch videos, and go to the next item in the agenda for the course. As you go down, this course in particular is a lot of videos. Like I said, it's a video screen share. And then there's opportunities underneath for helpful links, more how-tos, anything that applies to the video that we have laid out. So what I find most often for members is that they'll start diving into the roadmap and they'll want to learn more about a particular step. Or maybe they've already done steps 1 through 10 and they're really ready to dive into their strategy. That is where I recommend diving into our training library. And you will do that by going over to the dashboard. And this is where we have our entire training library for our membership. So we start with some basics. We have an entire section on news and updates. We do some online marketing 101 tutorials. And then we start going through the basics, creating pins, knowing your data, an entire module on Tailwind and how to set up your batching system with Tailwind, an entire module on e-commerce, growing your funnel, promoted pins, both traffic and conversion campaigns. And then we also have a bonus section on VA training. So specifically, if you're a VA that is looking to add Pinterest to your services and start building your clients, we have a section for you as well. We also have guest expert training. We've had people come in for social media, for graphic design. We just had one on copywriting for your sales pages. And then we have a whole section on our live Q&As. So part of the deal with your membership is that I really want you to be able to connect with other like-minded entrepreneurs. And so in our Facebook group, we host a monthly live Q&A where we ask questions, we go over the latest training and updates and best practices. And it's really an opportunity for you to get some one-on-one help from me. So once those are done, I download them and put them into Podia so anybody can review them afterwards. So when you start with the roadmap, you might want to start step by step and get your feet wet. But when you're ready to learn more, I encourage everyone to come over to the training library so they can deep dive into whatever they want to learn more about. One of the great things about the membership is that it gives you access to a lot of other courses and products that I have created. I have an entire course on creating your batching content planning system where you batch a quarter at a time. You'll get access to that. You'll also get access to my Canva pin templates. There's 20 in here, but we also do more every month inside our membership beyond just this standalone product. You also get affiliate access. You get a 40% commission when you are a member in good standing, which is really awesome for a membership module because that means when you have somebody you have referred as an affiliate, every month they pay, you get paid. And then we have Pin Power Method bonuses. So this is super cool where I have negotiated some special deals with some software, and then some of it is just straight up extras we do every month. So bonus number one is I create new fresh Canva pin templates for our members every single month, and you can access those by clicking here. I also do keyword list by request. So keywords is one of the things that sometimes our members struggle with. So I have a Google Sheet that everybody has access to where there's a different industry for every tab. And I've done the keyword research for you. And so it really helps save you time and know that you're getting the right keywords in your Pinterest profile. And then you have a special Tailwind credit for our members that's beyond just their free trial. You also have a special affiliate ConvertKit trial that gives you 30 days for free instead of 14. And then we have our extra courses and products. One of the really cool things we do is when I come up with a really cool system, like creating my own database to keep track of my email marketing in Airtable, you guys are going to get access to it. So everything I create and do for Pinterest and my business to make my life easier, I give to our Pin Power Method members. So this is where you're going to find your access to all of those products, training library, the monthly Q&A recordings, and all of that good stuff. Inside our community, which again is hosted on Facebook, we do not only weekly prompts where we have fun and we have gift threads, but I post articles for the latest updates, things like best creative resources that Tailwind put out, asking everybody what they're working on so we can help and guide you. This was from our monthly live Q&A this morning, where there were a bunch of questions and we worked through some recent things that Pinterest came out with and talked about the best way to move forward with a strategy as a group. So this is a great place, like I said, to get your one-on-one questions answered and move forward. Everything that I have done is designed to get you to take action on your Pinterest marketing strategy for your business with the support of a community and myself to keep you going and keep you encouraged. So I hope that helps you get a better picture of what it's like behind the scenes in Pin Power Method and what you'll have access to as a member. And I hope to see you on the inside.